The Supreme Court ruled New York's good and substantial reason requirement to wear and carry a firearm unconstitutional. Maryland and other states are now revising and loosening their regulations.
In the meantime, here in Ohio, attention is now focused on Senate Bill 351. 2 News reporter Caroline Morse joins us live in the studio with new information from the bill's proposal. Caroline.
Otherwise known as Defend Our Children Act, Senate Bill 351 would increase the age at which Ohioans can buy a firearm, but it also will adopt the state's first ever red flag law. Now, the law will allow courts to confiscate firearms from those who pose a significant threat to themselves or others. But some legislators I spoke with say its constitutionality is being questioned.
Before the trial, before the legal jury procedure and court procedure, it takes away their right to Second Amendment with no due process, and, I oppose that.
Senate Bill 351 is being met with opposition from some senators. Senator Niraj Atani says it violates every Ohioan's right to due process. The red flag law process begins with a petition from law enforcement, family members, or household members to a state court demanding temporary removal of firearms from someone deemed to be a danger. After the petition is filed, the court will then hold a hearing with the concerned parties. If clear and convincing evidence is found, the order is granted to confiscate weapons, sometimes without any prior notice to the person in question.
Before the judicial process, while they're waiting to hear from the judge, and to me that is unconstitutional, it is wrong, and I would oppose it.
One of the senators that introduced the bill, Cecil Thomas, says red flag laws operate the same way as a search or arrest warrant, allowing judges to make decisions prior to having a hearing. He says, in part, quote, common sense policies such as universal background checks and a red flag law will help keep deadly weapons out of the hands of dangerous people. We can't stop working to address gun violence. Now, Senate Bill 351 is currently sitting in the Senate's Rules and Reference. Now, it has not been referred to a committee. If approved, Ohio would join 19 other states that enforce red flag laws. Live in studio, Caroline Morse, 2 News working for you.